Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Tuesday. Well, today is Floss Tube Day, if I can just talk. And today we have my March cup and I'll be drinking jasmine with green tea. Or green tea with jasmine. Sorry. One of those days. And I have my Peter Rabbit book, so we'll be using it every week for Floss Tube Week. And if I need to write anything else down, and I'm using my pen, both of which I got from my friend Jill, who lives in the UK. She is Jill Green here on YouTube. So thank you, Jill, and we're using it. So yeah, oh, what a week. Yeah. It was busy, it wasn't busy, and yeah, some things don't change at work. It was supposed to snow, but it didn't snow. And then yesterday it was supposed to snow, and it blew around a lot, and here we are. Yeah, so this is the kind of winter we're having. It's very unprecedented, if you will. Yeah. So, what happened last week? It was kind of a quietish week. I did have one review for a cross stitch company, and that was for VIP cross stitch, and so therefore I had one start. I also did a review for House Art. It was just as a favor to them, and I haven't worked anymore on the painted, or what do you call it, paint by number. Yeah, it just really wasn't something for me, but at least I tried it and I got to see what their products look like, and you of course got to see it as well. So if you're into paint by number, look them up. But the only start I did have, let me put that pin down before it gets lost in the couch. That would be ugly, huh? Yes, of course I put it in the bag the wrong way. So, there it is. It says embroidered girl. I call it girl stitching. So yeah, I really like this. It's nice, it's small, the pattern is very easy to work on. So, I worked a little bit up on that bookcase, right in here. And I did a little bit right down here in her dress, and the chair that's there, and a little bit over here for the video. So yeah, I just get it out and I put a few stitches in it, and it's not that it's hot yet, but it'll be a nice one for summer where, you know, it's not a big canvas. So yeah, I will just keep plugging away on it, but I really like this one. And I'm not worried about the back stitching. That's so far down the road that, yeah, we're not going to worry about it. And sometime maybe this week I will be starting the other one, which we'll call it Venice. I'll be starting that. Now I also this week worked on a few other things. We worked on the golden dragon, if I can find. Holy cow, where is that paper? Is it in there? No? Okay. Well, not real clear on where that one's at, but yeah. So this is my golden dragon, and it is silk rayon thread. Beautiful threads. I just absolutely love this. Now I didn't get back. Okay. There's the picture I was looking for. Okie dokie. Oh my goodness. What is going on here? Oh, please. We have that lovely flyaway thread. I'll just try to keep it in one hand, but you can see what I've already gotten done. And I am working down here on that red flower. But yeah, I just love the way this looks and the way it's turning out. I can hardly wait to, well, start on the black. I want to get more of like these things done so that when the black is put in, you know, you're going to see a contrast. But I'm really concentrating on working on this part of the head, so just a few more things in here, and then I can start working on all the scales on the dragon. I love this. Just, it's actually my most favorite silk project that I have. Love it. We also worked on cats. It says 8 kittens, but I call it cats just 'cause. So I've been concentrating mostly in this orange cat here. Trying to get everything away from the thread. So, yep, as you can see, I'm still working in the body. But I did start a few of that. There's like a blue in the pots. There's some up in here as well. I think I got both colors put into that. There may be another symbol on this one up in here, but mainly been trying to get the orange cat done. Some of them have a lot of white and gray in it, so wanted to kind of stick with the colored cats, you know. And I'd like to start on the Siamese of that as well. So, yep, it's another nice small one. And let's see, what else did we work on? Let me get the small ones out of the way, and then I can get to the big guns, right? We also worked on this one. This came from AliExpress. And do I have the wrong one? Yeah, this, oh, maybe not. No, we're having a week. We're having a week. There's another one to this, and it's pretty close. So I just worked on that one a little bit, trying to get it. I guess you might say I started it, and I don't know where. Huh, that's weird. Hold, please. Alright, I'm back because I'm crazy. I found this one. This is the 14 count, so that's why I started it this week. So I got some of that in. But for the video, I did work on this one, and it was already started. It's called Treasure Bowl. So we finished that one symbol there, and I hadn't gotten back to stitching anymore, but it's just kind of a nice change of pace to work on, because you don't have to keep switching threads. You know, it's lovely. Just absolutely lovely. Both of them are. I like them both, and I think originally I got them in 11 count, and I turned right around and ordered the 14 count from AliExpress. So, yeah. Sorry for the confusion. Some days I'm just crazy. I got out this one. This one is called Copenhagen. The other one, I think it says the canals of, I can't remember, something about canals of Amsterdam. Hello. Yeah. So I just finished up. I'm working, if I can get it to fold. It's still stiff, see? So I've been working on this top roof line. So I've put in enough of that, and then there's a couple more symbols in there to make that roof line, and went down this way working on that. So just picking them up, little ones, you know, here and there, and just because I feel like I want to work on 14 count. So I might as well be working on some of these smaller ones. But yeah. Oh my goodness gracious. And I also worked on Golden Ladies this week. And we're right in this corner area. Yep. I had to look at it's backwards in the thing. Yeah. So, been working on that. I finally told you they were big. I finished one symbol, so I got all that color green. There's like 2, possibly 3 more symbols in that green plant. So yeah, it's coming along. That thing is so heavy. It's ginormous. And where's my picture? Hold, please. This is a smaller picture. I have to see if it's right side up. So much stuff of the same color. Sorry for the glare. But I started in this corner. And then I went up here to work on this boat here. And I was trying to run out thread. So it drooled back up into here on... I got hair in my mouth. In this other boat. So, not so much progress on it as the Golden Ladies. I want to finish that green plant thing. So, yeah. Because I had gotten a lot done on the the thing that it's sitting on. Does that make sense? Now I started, I'm going to have to take this needle out. Hold, please. Maybe. There we go. I'm going to just put it down here. Maybe. I changed the needle because it was... Oh, it's just not going to stay because it was so hard to get through that material. So I started working on the green area by that building, and there's the boat that I was working on, and then the other one I'm trying so desperately. I added just that pink color up there, and that because I had some of it left. So yeah, it's little bit by little bit. I had my thread. This is the green that I was using, and I got out 2 strands, thinking, oh yeah, we'll work on. Yeah, next thing I know, I'm off running, doing something else. Not stitching, but you know, something that needed to be done with the house. So I didn't want to lose the fact that that thread went with the rest of it. But that, guys, is everything that I worked on last week. I didn't get back to the London one, but I would really like to get on with that because there's a lot of nice things to stitch in it. So maybe we'll work on 14 counts this week. I have no idea. I never do. But yeah, that was all that I had. Now, this next Saturday, we'll be doing March Saturday stitching, and the theme is green, so get your green on. I can't believe we're changing times this week. Holy cow. Already? I mean, I thought it was like the first part of April. What happened to that? Yeah, it's a piece of work. But other than that, guys, that is everything that I have worked on and done. And yeah, I don't know, it was kind of weird that I didn't stitch on other things. I wasn't moving like around, like I'd stitch an hour on one thing and then another hour on something else or what. Some weeks are like that, but I guess I was just happy with what I was stitching on, so I stitched on those like consecutive days. I'd wake up and, oh, well, I guess I could work on and that's how that all evolves. So yeah, so had some beautiful pictures sent to me this week. So if anybody has any pictures of anything they're working on or anything they've finished, you can send it to my email address, and that's in the description box below, and I will get it into the next stitch with me as soon as I possibly can. So yeah, thanks for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.